All right, so earlier in your algebra unit, you looked at solving simultaneous equations. So now if I think about graphing lines, two lines are going to either not intersect at all, as is the case with D and A and B and C, or they'll intersect in one point, or they'll be right on top of each other. So lines B and C were really close to being on top of each other, which would have meant there was infinite solutions. So we've got three different things that can happen with lines. Either we'll have no solution, so no solution means parallel lines that are not on top of each other. So they would have different y-intercepts. I could have one solution, which means that my two lines are going to have different slopes and meet at a single point. Or I can have infinite solutions. This means that in my grid, my lines are parallel to each other and they're on top of each other. Ooh, goodness. That did not go very well. Let's try that. There we go, something like that with straight lines. So if they're infinite, then they're going to be on top of each other, so they will be parallel and they share a y-intercept. So parallel and share all points, really, not just the y-intercept. We can solve systems of equations with our calculators, and that's what your notes talk to you about, so I'm not going to read through the notes for you, but instead let's look at some examples.